Today we'll talk about how can you find your vehicles on your PaybyPhone app. We're going to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on vehicles here. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to this list here, and you click here on vehicles here. So then here you will find all vehicles you have on this on field. So I have no vehicles, but if you have it, you will find it in this list. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.